Deck surface mold or mildew growth is a total pain, but you can totally get it under control with some simple cleaning and smart tricks. So, first off, grab a good mold remover that's safe for your deck material because you don't want to wreck your wood or composite. Spray it generously on the moldy spots and let it chill for about 15 minutes so it can break down that nasty stuff. Then, scrub the area with a stiff brush. Don't go too crazy or you might damage the surface. After scrubbing, rinse it off with a hose or bucket of water to wash away the residue. To keep mold from coming back, try to improve airflow around your deck by trimming back bushes and trees that block sunlight and trap moisture. If you can, set up a fan or a dehumidifier nearby during damp seasons. It really helps keep things dry. Also, clean your deck regularly, at least twice a year, so mold doesn't get comfortable hanging out. And if you spot any puddles after rain, sweep them off quickly because standing water is like an open invite to mold. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with deck mold is using bleach without checking if it's safe for their deck type. It can cause discoloration and damage. Instead, use a mold remover designed for decks that won't mess up your wood or composite materials. Another common issue is ignoring poor ventilation. If your deck area stays shady and moist, mold will keep popping up no matter how often you clean. Fix that by trimming back overgrown plants and making sure air can move freely around your deck. Lastly, people often forget to rinse the cleaning products off properly, which can leave behind residues that attract dirt and encourage mold growth again. So, always rinse thoroughly after cleaning. BigHomeProjects.com is great if you're looking for trusted local contractors who know how to tackle mold problems without messing up your deck. Plus, it helps contractors connect with homeowners who need their skills, making the whole process way smoother for everyone.